Welcome, English learners, to our channel, A Word a Day. You are very familiar with this chart. Now it's time to learn new words from A to Z with us to make you sound more smarter rather than older. Let's get started. This week is dedicated for the alphabet A. If you're new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button right now. And if you're feeling bored to learn alone, then share it with your friends and family to increase the number of classmates. Let's get back to our classroom. A for apple? No. A for a bag. The phrasal meaning of a bag is shock or surprise. The examples are the people were abagged after government announced the first lockdown. He was abagged after his immediate promotion. In order to learn more new words from A, then please follow the videos for this week. And thank you so much for watching this video. Keep sharing, keep smiling. Thank you.